Hello, parents and guardians of K through 2 students. Just wanted to take a moment and let you know how you could follow along, track your students' grades. We're approaching the midterm point of the 2019-20 first 9 weeks, and I'd like to do just kind of this informal way to track your students' mastery level. As you know, K through 2 is a non-graded, so you won't be receiving grades per se, but you will and can track your students' mastery of the required standards. And so today I'm going to show you a pretty simple way to do that. The first thing you would need to do is you would go to our Graves County homepage. Let me just open up a tab and show you what that looks like. You would go to our Graves County homepage. You would hover over Parents and go down to Infinite Campus. You would click that and you would come to a login screen. At that login screen, you would have to use the credentials that you were provided when you first registered for Infinite Campus. If you don't have the credentials, you can call the board office and ask for Missy Whittington, and she will get you your login credentials. Again, that is Missy Whittington at the board office. You can give them a call and she'll set you up, make sure you have all the account information. Once you get the information to log in as a parent, you will see this screen. And on this screen, we're logged in as Miss Miller on this screen, and you could click up here and you can see, of course, you're logged in as yourself and whatnot. But over here on the left side is the part that you will probably be interested in, where it says grades. If you have multiple students, notice up here we're looking at Max Miller's Infinite Campus, but we could select any student that belongs to Miss Miller. She has 3 children that we could select, but we're going to stay with Max today because Max is a second grader, and I wanted you guys to see kind of how the reports are laid out. When you first open this, I believe all of these are going to be this little plus. I believe all of them are going to be expanded open like this, and so there's going to be a lot of information. My recommendation is just go ahead and get them all to the plus, but you could do that however you want. So basically you would just go through, and if I wanted to see how Mr. Max is doing in second grade math, I'd click the plus, and it gives you the standard, tells you exactly what the student should be able to do, and you'll notice some letters out next to these. This means that at some point that he's had an assessment or a quiz and the teacher felt like that student had mastered that particular standard on that particular instance. And so this letter may change. It may show up as a near mastery or a remediation, or it may show up as a mastery, but it will be fluid throughout the year, because I'm sure the teacher will cover these standards multiple times and will assess students multiple times on many of these standards. And so just understand that this obviously is the beginning of the year, but as the year progresses, you'll begin to see more and more standards addressed and standards assessed, and you will see a even more accurate picture of how your student is doing. Just a by note, if you look over here, you can also see attendance and various things that this Infinite Campus portal allows you to do. The app, there's actually an iPhone or an Android app that does the exact same things, and it looks exactly like this. You'll start out on this page, and you'll want to click on Grades, and then you'll select through whichever grades that you want to see for your student. Feel free to contact your teacher if you've got any questions about how your student is doing, or you can contact us here at the school. We appreciate your time and hope you have a wonderful day.